Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Aries, so let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Knight of Wands, and Four of Wands in reverse. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Aries, you are someone who is skilled and talented, and you have you are making great efforts today, and you have your dreams and goals and what you need to do. You know that perfectly. You have that clarity of your actions, of what needs to be done today, guys. And maybe for some of you guys, though you are making great efforts and though you are working hard, there are people in your situation who do not have trust on you, or it may be your energy towards them. Maybe you work really hard, but the people around you, your colleagues, they may not put in efforts like you. So you do not trust anyone with your work, or maybe when they are offering any suggestions, you do not trust them. And maybe for some of you, you are having some illness, or someone in your situation, they are sick. So that is again worrying you a lot today, guys. So it may be someone from your family, it may be your parent, your friend, or this person you love. So someone is having something, some kind of illness that is again worrying you. But there are huge opportunities coming your way, guys. Things are going in a very positive way in your career situation, or it may be in this love. And you are celebrating a new beginning. So it may be a beginning in your career, or that next step in your relationship. Maybe you are getting married or getting engaged to this person. So some kind of celebration is what I see for you all, guys. And also for some of you, you are moving to a different place. It may be a different city for work, or a different place for work. So some kind of change in residence is what is happening today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Two of Wands. So in this relationship, you have that mutual love, understanding, you care for each other. But there are some minor troubles, guys. Some arguments or some misunderstandings are there. But you need to understand that these are something very small. So you should not, think too much about these minute things in your relationship, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Four of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, you may be seeing some delays or suspensions, maybe some projects, or in some financial agreements. You may see some delays, guys. But I see that you are a very determined person, and you're working with a strong willpower. So things may turn out well for you, guys, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card, and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seriphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, But today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.